だって踊れよディスコクラシックな毎日君が俺たちのバンス Look at me, tell me baby, see wait for me カナナナ炭酸で割り切
Well, we'll start off with the White Classic 1. Have a look at the controls. Sorry, control, because it's only got one, which is just for discrimination, so we're working on preset sensitivity. Switch it on. I think if we put it on minimum, from what I can remember, that's fairly preset to reject nails. So it's just a matter of switching it on like that, and off you go. There's nowhere else to go with it unless you want to start discriminating things out. And here we have the original White Classic 3, the 8-inch concentric coil fitting there. This is a bit more high-tech than the Classic 1 I showed you a minute or two ago. We've got extra knobs on here. We've got sensitivity, which has got a preset GB disc reset with it, which includes the actual pinpoint GEB. And looking at it from the other side, we've got a normal and black sand switch, obviously a black sand switch for wet sand, and we've got a discrimination giving you a few presets if you want to just find coins or rings or whatever. Anyway, we'll get that one on the test bed as well and see what we make of all. I'm sure all three of them are going to be very fast tests. That's why I'm including them all in one video. Right, onto the White Classic 3, which is significantly advanced, shall we say. It's got a discrimination, a frequency adjust, which I presume is for tuning out interference, and we've got the normal and black sand switch, black sand being the beach, and the sensitivity. We've got all the preset marks marked in P just to get you going. Alright, we'll start the three tests with the White Classic 1. This is fitted with the 8-inch concentric coil, as you can see. I'll switch it on. That's it. I don't need to do anything else. Just put it on minimum and it should reject the nails. Breaking up quite well there. It'll probably be a very quick test. Obviously I won't be going over all 116 targets, but I'll just go over the ones that I think it might get. But of course I might be over ambitious with that. A gold chain, 20 inches long, rolled into a ball 1 inch deep. Ooh, gets that. That's my first surprise. 5-inch long gold chain, 1 inch deep. Nope. Small Roman bronze, 3 inches. Nope. Told it was going to be quick. What else is it capable of getting? The coke. Oh, it gets coke alright. See where we have to put the discrimination up. We have to put it up to the ring range to get rid of the coke. Put it back down again. Right, an iron cord 2 pence. Crown bottle top. See what we can do with that. If we can knock the crown bottle top out. Yeah, we get up to somewhere along, halfway along between ring range and coin range. Now I'll go with the iron cord 2 pence. It gets that, so that's going to be handy on the beach. 2 coins, low and high conductive, 8 inches deep, 1 inch apart. It took me longer to say that, it did to actually test it. Same again, only 3 inches deep. Ring pull, 20 pence. That's a ring pull, that's 20 pence. These are obviously only a couple of inches deep. See if I can get rid of a ring pull. Just about same place really. I just rejected with coke. No, they can't be separated. I thought we might be able to, but unfortunately not. Low and high conductive coins with a staple in the middle. It's obviously getting something, you're going to be digging it up, but it isn't telling me there's 3 targets out, obviously. Alright, we'll go with a gleaner. Turn the discrimination back down again. Yes. Gets that quite happily. Right, 5 pence is 4 inches. 5 inches. 6 inches. Cut quarter, 2 inches. 4 inches. 5 pence on edge, 4 inches. And down the length. 5 inches on edge. Nope. Right, onto my conductives. I'm being ambitious and going for the 7-inch deep Georgian halfpenny. Right, okay, 6-inch Georgian halfpenny. Right, we'll try the 5-inch one on edge. Only the one way. Cotwheel pennies, I don't think it's going to get any of those. 8 inches, that's your shallowest. Yeah, if it gets that one, won't get the 9-inch one, so I won't even bother. Where are we now? Artifacts. Large musket ball. 4 inches. 7 inches. Small bottle, 6 inches. Fibula, 3 inches. Fibula, 5 inches. Right, onto the silver coins. Victorian silver threepenny bit, 6 inches. Silver sixpence, 7 inches. Edward penny, medieval Ahmed, 6 inches. That's about it on those. Onto the iron and hoards. That's the horseshoe. Probably actually rejecting my iron bottle, 6 inches. 20 pence, 8 inches deep with 3 nails on top of it. No, not going to get that one, or that one, or that one, or that one. Coke, 1 inch, half penny, 6 inches. There's a Coke. Half penny in front of it, nope. Penknife. Horseshoe, 2 inches, 20 pence, 6 inches. Just breaking up over the horseshoe there. 20 pence, 2 inches, horseshoe, 6 inches. Right, last but not least is 6 half pennies in a row on edge, 2 inches deep. Like all detectors, it rejects it that way and gets it the other way. Next, the original Classic 3, which we might as well put the sensitivity on maximum. I don't think it's going to worry it too much knocking it back to the preset. Discrimination, try it on some nails. That seems to have some sort of nail reject preset as well. You can see where the discrimination knob is now, and the ring range just slightly above the preset, which knocks out the iron. Gold chain, 20 inches long, 1 inch deep, rolled into a ball. No problem. 5 inch long gold chain, 1 inch deep. Roman bronze, 3 inches. Trying to find another one you got. Pewter button, 4 inches. Pewter button, 6 inches. Christ. Pewter button, 7 inches. Coke. See where it rejects the Coke, quite high up. You're just entering the coin range. We'll go over Roman bronze again. I'm sure we'll get that now. Nope. Right, back down again. Right, not going to get that. Thin copper ring, 8 inches. I don't even know why I tried that, but it gets it. 10 inches. Yeah, that was a bit ambitious. There's a lot of modern detectors that won't get that copper ring at 8 inches. Galena. No problem with that. Onto discrimination and separation. Iron cord, 2 pence. Crown bottle top. Ooh, rejects that from the word go. Turn it up a bit more. Sort of half gets it. Yeah, I think we can get away with knocking crown bottle tops out and accepting iron cord 2 pences. Coins, 2 of which low and high conductivity, 8 inches deep, 1 inch apart. Ooh. Save again, only 3 inches deep. It even tells me it's 2 targets. I'm ring pawn 20 pence. It's a ring paw 20 pence. So we knock the ring paw out. That didn't take much knocking out. 20 pence. And takes the ring paw with it. So low and high conductive coins, 3 inches deep with a steel staple in the middle. Doesn't tell me it's 3 targets down there, obviously, again, but I'd be digging it up, obviously. Right then, on low conductive coins, 5 pence, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches. Got quarter, 4 inches. 5 pence on edge, 4 inches. 5 inches. 6 inches. This is crazy. 7 inches. Yep. High conductive coins. Halfpenny, 6 inches. George III halfpenny, 7 inches. 8 inches. On to 9 inches. Nope. On edge, Georgian halfpennies, 5 inches. 6 inches. We have a 7-inch one. Not quite. Cartwheel pennies. 8 inches. 9 inches. 10 inches. 11 inches. Nope. Large musket ball, 4 inches. 7 inches. Small bottle, 6 inches. Small bottle, 8 inches. Fibula, 3 inches. Fibula, 5 inches. Now normally I wouldn't bother with any of the other artifacts, but this is a bit silly, but I'm going to try it anyway. Also on this bottle of 15 inches. Nearly gets that. Fibula, 7 inches. Right, we'll go to the silver coins. Victorian silver sapney bit, 6 inches. Sixpence, 7 inches. Shilling, 8 inches. Edward penny, medieval, 6 inches. Hammered. Hammered threepenny bit, 8 inches. Silver threepenny bit, 8 inches. No. And finally, we'll go on to the iron and boards. The horseshoe. 6 inches, iron bottle, 6 inches, 20 pence, 8 inches, 3 nails directly on top of it. Actually got him, man. 20 pence, 8 inches, 3 nails, 4 inches above it. It must be getting my nails there. I'll find out on here. I was breaking up over nails and maybe only an inch down. It's actually getting it. Well, this is take me by surprise. I tell you, this is going to be a 30-second job. Large nail, 6 inches with 20 pence sitting on top of it. That's got to be getting my nail. Coke, 1 inch, halfpenny, 6 inches. coke, see if we can knock the coke out. No, that's got him a Georgia ape in front of it. Penknife. Horseshoe, 2 inches, 20 pence, 6 inches. Breaking up of the horseshoe there. 20 pence, 2 inches, horseshoe, 6 inches. 6 half pennies stacked on top of each other, 11 inches deep. No, won't get that. 6 half pennies in a row on edge, 2 inches deep. Turn the screaming up a bit. Sort of off gets her. It doesn't from the other way. Oh, it does just about. Turn it up to the ring range. A bit further. That's better. Weird. And finally, onto the latest White Classic 3 model with a 10-inch coil. See if it's anywhere near as good as the original. Right, I'll put it on minimum disc. So obviously gets nails there. Yeah, we get it to the ring range when it gets rid of the nails. Rolled into a ball 1 inch deep. "5-inch long gold chain. Roman bronze, 3 inches deep. Peter button, 4 inches. 6 inches. The original Classic 3 got that. Yeah, I've turned him. Yeah, I put it right down with discrimination, but it still won't really get it. Coke. Turn the screw up about halfway to get rid of the coke. Go over Roman bronze again. It's close, that one is. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Copper ring, 8 inches deep. No. Galena. So I'm still in shock about that other one. This one isn't anywhere near as good yet. In the 1990s, I really always wanted one of these. Iron cord 2 pence. Crown bottle top. See if I can get rid of the crown bottle top. I just put it on the coin range on the preset. You still got the iron cord, so I can split those two up. 2 coins, low and high conductivity, 8 inches deep, 1 inch apart. Yep, it's those, and the same again, only 3 inches deep. Ring pull and 20 pence. Ring pull, so we can knock that out. Yeah, just past the coin range on the preset, and also gets rid of the 20 pence. Low and high conductive coins, 3 inches deep, with a steel staple in the middle. It's diggable. Right, onto the low conductive coins. 5 pence, we'll start at 6 inches. 7 inches. Just 8 inches. Nope. Cut quarter, 4 inches. 2 inches. 5 pence, 4 inches on edge. 5 inches on edge. Just trying it on normal. No, same difference. Right, on to eye conductive coins. 6 inch deep Georgian halfpenny. 7 inch deep Georgian halfpenny. And 8 inch. On to 9 inch. Just about 10 inch. No. Georgian halfpennies on edge. 5 inches. Like that. Get it, 6 inch on edge. 7 inches on edge. No. Cottonwood pennies. 9 inches. 10 inches. No. Cartwheel penny on edge, 7 inches. 8 inches. Just. I'll give it that. 9 inches. Nope. Large musket ball onto artifacts now. Large musket ball, 4 inches. 7 inches. Small bottle, 6 inches. Small bottle, 8 inches. Fibula, 3 inches. Fibula, 5 inches. What's on this bottle? 15 inches. Fibula, 7 inches. Silver coins up next. 6 inch deep, Victorian. Sorry about 7 inch deep. Silver sixpence. Silver shilling. 8 inches. Edward penny, hammered, 6 inches. Hammered threepenny bit, 8 inches. Silver threepenny bit, 8 inches. Nope. And finally, onto the iron and oars. Horseshoe, iron bottle, 6 inches. 20 pence, 8 inches, 3 nails sitting on top of it. 20 pence, 8 inches, 3 nails, 4 inches above it. That's just to make sure it is actually rejecting the nails. Knife blade, no, we won't bother that. Large nail, 6 inches, 20 pence sitting on top of it. It's got to be the nail it's getting. Half penny, 6 inches, coke 1 inch. That's coke. Let's see, half penny. Penknife. Horseshoe, 2 inches, 20 pence, 6 inches. Breaks up over that horseshoe. 20 pence, 2 inches, horseshoe, 6 inches. 6 half pennies stacked on top of each other, 11 inches deep. And finally, 6 half pennies in a row on edge, 2 inches deep. About like the other classic 3, actually tries to get it from that way. Turn the discrimination up slightly. It should get it better from the other way anyway, but technically I'd have been digging that from the other way. Weird on some of these older detectors, this discrimination just works just that little bit different. That was interesting. It's hard to believe that it was 34 years ago. It's me personally, I was debating whether to buy the classic 3SL or C-5MX. Doesn't seem that long ago, but time flies, as you say. I decided to go for 5MX in the end anyway, and I kept that for 10 years and found loads of stuff with it, but no doubt I'd had equal success with the Classic 3 as well. I didn't realise that the original Classic 3 was actually better at the time, but I never tried one against Fielder before. The Classic 1 was always a bit beginnerish and a bit dire, really, but it did a job, I suppose. Anyway, thanks for watching again, and I shall be back very shortly with another video. Bye for now.